Good morning, students. I Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Shankar Vidyapith, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. Students, this is going to be our last class for models. We have in the previous classes we have already done with different models in both the forms. Now today we are doing with the left models. The model which is left is might. So might, where we use might is used with remote possibility. Remote possibility in the sense where we can say that strong chances. Okay, so for example, there are very few clouds, so it might rain. There are very few clouds. कुछ बादल है तो बारिश नहीं होगी, स्ट्रॉन्ग है, ठीक है. Then factual possibility. For example, what you say might be true. It shows the fact that what it is possible that whatever he is saying it might be true. Okay, so factual possibility, what you say might be true. Then to express, there it is, to express a very casual request. Casual request, like you might post this for me. It shows a request, but it's a casual request that will you please. Okay, so you might post this for me. Then to express an irritation, for example, he might pay us. He might pay us. Now why it is showing the irritation? Irritation because it is possible that he have paid, but actually he did not pay. उसने दिया है पैसा, लेकिन ऐसा मन में होता है कि शायद उसने पैसा दे दिया है, but in reality he did not done so. That shows an irritation. He might pay us. For example, like he should have paid, but he didn't pay. Okay. Then with permission, and this permission shows more diffident than may. Like in general terms, we used model with permission also, but comparatively there is a difference. Okay. So diffident. Might I ask a question? May I come in, sir? So that shows the polite request, but polite permission. Okay, but here it is diffident than may. Might I ask a question? क्या मैं पूछ सकता हूँ? Okay, here it is question mark. Then might not, in negative form mightn't. Negative way of expressing the use of might. For example, the road might not be blocked. It's a possibility that the road might not be blocked. Okay. Now we will do the remaining models. Okay. The next model is ought to. Where we use ought to? Ought to is used with moral duties to represent some moral values. We use the model ought to. For example, you ought to serve your parents. It's your moral duty that you should serve. One should serve his or her parents. So you ought to serve your parents. Then second, with advice or suggestions. For example, you ought to take some exercise. We are giving here in this example, a person is giving an advice to the other person. That's why ought to is used. You ought to take some exercise. It is advisable. Past unfulfilled obligation. Past unfulfilled obligations. For example, she ought to have conveyed it. Shayad, possibility, but it was in past. An unfulfilled obligation. She ought to have conveyed it, but she did not. Ought not to, in negative expression. Negative way of expressing the use of ought to. For example, you ought not to eat too many breads. You ought not to, or in short you also can write oughtn't. You oughtn't eat too many breads, in negative expression. So this was the use of the model ought to.